Alright, guys, good morning or whatever time you are seeing this video. This is Franklin once again. Okay, guys, I am going to be walking you through today. What we are going to be looking at is the interface of pixellab. I know uh, it's always good, even though with the videos I have sent to you to watch, some of you may not have still understood the interface of pixellab. Okay, we're just going we're just gonna run through it so that you get some tips on from it and improve on the functionality of pixellab. Okay, without wasting time, let's write on. Okay, guys, uh, let us start. Okay, default. When you open your pixellab at first, this is the interface you're going to see. My own may look different from yours because I have a paid version of pixellab. My own is the premium version of pixellab. Your own is just the normal pixellab you downloaded from Play Store. Okay, but at the same time they all have the same functions. It's just that this mine is a bit improved in some things than yours, but even if you give me yours, I will still do the same thing I do with mine. So there is no difference whether it is the paid version or it is the free version. Everything is the same. Okay, guys, when you look here, here you will see some templates that have been made already that you can just edit. For example, like this one, you can just come here and you edit it. That is my own version. You may not see in yours, but you still have template in yours. They may not be the same like mine, so you can just go there and you edit them and you edit them and you edit them, and also you can see different sizes and so on and so forth. Okay, but the default page of pixellab is this one, the 1 by 1 dimensions. That is the default. Okay, this 1 by 1 dimension, if you check to see the, the value, it should be 1280 by 1280. Okay, I was right. After all, I've been using this for long now, so I should know some things by heart now. Okay, guys. So the first thing is, you look brush to. The first thing is look down here, Yeah. Okay. Here, when you touch here, before you see this board like this. Okay. So when you touch there, you will see this, and the first one you will see my projects. That is, when you open it, you will see the projects you have been working on. That is why when you work on anything, always save it as a project. The next one, the next one is this letter A. Okay, what is letter A? The letter A When you touch it, it means anything concerning text. That is where you are going to be editing. Okay, for example, let us add text now. This is text. You can write what you want to write now. You just take edit and then you delete this one and you write. And then you can, there are some styles also. The first place, I have some that I've self. You can browse and get some sample of styles you can use. My styles are, you can edit your own style and then you save it. Yeah. Then the next one is you can delete. The next one is delete. As you can see, you see delete, you see copy, you see send to front, send to back. This send to front, it means if you have a text that is behind an object, you can click on it and then it comes to front. Send to back is the opposite, right? Send to back is the opposite. So send to back is the opposite. Okay, I'll be using this to indicate. Okay, this is sent to back, relative position. This relative position, you if when you open it like this test now, you adjust it by shifting, pointing the arrow to the direction where you want it. You can increase the value so that it moves faster, or reduce so that it moves slower. It's always perfect to reduce when you want to align a text so that it doesn't move faster and pass the position where you want to place it. Okay, that's it. And then that is positioning, right? Positioning, relative position. Now it means when you open it, you have like this text. Maybe you want it to be exactly at the center. Just come here, center, center. Okay, the two, you tap this one and tap the second one, it will be exactly at the middle of your page. But for example, if I send it up like this and I want it to be in the center, I will use now but this other center, right? When I tap there, it will be at the center, right? Okay, if I use, okay, if I want it to be at the top left, top right, and so on and so forth, you just use the arrows. The arrows, they will place it where you want it to be. Okay, that's it. Let's continue. You have the size. You have the size. The size, you can increase the size of the text or reduce depending on what you are doing, right? But also you can also increase the size, uh, the size from here. Just hold here, drag it, hold, drag, or drag, reduce, drag. Okay, that's it. That's it for that. Okay, you have padding. Okay, what is the use of padding? What is the use of padding? Some people call it padding, some people call it padding, but for me, I call it padding. Okay, we are learning graphic designing, not grammar. After all, padding, when you have a text like this, there are sometimes that we have a text. Let me just change the fonts of this so that you understand very well what I'm saying. Like okay, like this one. If you look at it critically, you will see that there is a part of the text here and here that is being cut out. Okay, how to fix that? There are two ways of fixing it. Either you come to padding, right, and you increase the left padding and the right padding, okay, or you just take edit and then you add space before and after, right? So there are two ways you can fix that. Good, let's write on. You have you have color. This bucket you see, or a watering can you see, you call it this color, right? So the color is just, you just change the color of your text or of any object or whatever thing you are using. You can do, okay, this is a single color. You can also use gradient. This is gradient. You can use choose any gradient and edit it the way you want. There are types of gradients. You just choose any and edit it how you want, right? Okay, also this, to edit a gradient, you just click like this and then you click here. When you tap here means you edit the color below, right? You tap here, you edit the color on top. You can see when you look up here, yes, you can see the various position where you can, how you can adjust your color. Here you can, this one will be at the left, this one at the right, here at the top and bottom, here at the corners, here in the center, here on top center, here side center. Okay, don't worry, you understand perfectly when you are working with it, right? Let's write on. Okay, and then to edit this, right, what you can do is you click on it and then you take the water can and then you select either your color from the wheel, the color you want, click OK. You can see it yourself here. You click the water can, choose the color you want. Okay, you can see it for yourself, and this is how our text will look like. Okay guys, let's just write on. Okay, oh, let me show you one other thing from there. You can still want here, for example, if you have like already an image on your design and you want to pick a color from there, then you click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign, guys. Click on the plus sign. Yeah, like this. And then you click on the color picker. Here is the color picker. Or if you have a code, you click on this edit pen icon and then you insert your code. So for the color picker, for example, like this, we can pick this now from our background and then boom, and this is it. Wow. Okay guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna cut it right now and then we continue in the next video. Okay guys, wait for the next video to drop.